Well, 12 Cup is 9:30 p.m. PST, August 8th. Um, Doran is still a cat 4. This is amazing. 115 knots, but expected to start weakening. But it could be a cat 3 at least for another 36 hours before it weakens into a cat 2. A hurricane for the next 4 days that it enters the Western Pacific. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Here's Doran, nice ring, nice warm eye. Here's the track, heads west into the Western Pacific, in line with the models. Yeah, intensity model show exactly what I said. I mean, so it's pretty straightforward for this system. And yeah, next we got a system that's going to be developing right here from this. This is probably going to form in the next 4 to 5 days into a tropical cyclone. This also was probably a tropical cyclone yesterday. It still had the LSC, but it's now dissipating. We can show you on the models. AAC says 60% during the next 7 days of formation for it. So they think it has a pretty good chance. Here's it at 4 days. Here's that free has an isobor. CMC 1000 millibars at 3 days. ECMWF 1009. Icon 1008. Yeah, there's decent support for development, I'd say. 1006 out of 120 for Icon. 990 for CMC. Wow. 1005. I'd go as far as to say this has about 70% chance of development. I think its chances of development are very high. Um, we're gonna watch another system in about 5, 6, 7 days off Central America. Here's the GFS, 168 hours. 976. Well, 192 hours. Icon doesn't really form it at 138. CMC also forms it. I mean, 168, 989. Becomes a powerful hurricane. Actually, the CMC shows 2 hurricanes and 204. I'm going to be honest. This system forming off um, Central America, I'm going to give 30% right now in 7 days, based on the model support I can see. I think it has a chance. So that's what we have for the Eastern Pacific. Next, we're going to look at the Atlantic. AC ain't labeling anything right now. We're watching a wave approach the islands, which we have been watching, but I think it's very doubtful we get any development. We'll have to watch if there's any chance in the Western Caribbean. But look at this new wave coming off Africa right here. There's definitely some model support. Here's 5 days for it on the GFS, the CMC, the Icon. Boom. Icon actually strengthens it. I mean, there's 132, 1008, 144. I mean, yep, 162, 1007. Back to the GFS. As he dissipates it. I mean, right now I'm going to give this system a 20% chance of formation in the next 7 days. But I think it has the highest chance of all systems in the land during the next 7 to 10 days, in my opinion. Here's the GEFS. Only going out to 108. But let's look at enablers. And clearly at 108, you got plenty of support for the system starting to develop. Let's go back to that 72 and see if there's anything else trying to form. A little bit of heightened in the Western Caribbean. Yeah. So I think the chances are definitely this system for formation. Let's look at the other enabler, GPS. Definitely. I mean, there's 120. This is 12Z. Let's go further out. I mean, not really anything big on this one, even close approaching 200 hours. Well, that's your truck for the night.